Hi friends, it's Cars Are Friends, and I'm here to open up the filter of my second run of Valvoline Restore and Protect. Let's begin. Alright, so we'll start off by getting a little collection pan here. This is the Perlator 20,000, the gold version. Let's open it up. So we have our handy dandy little opener here. Open her up. La da dee. La da dee. Alrighty. And there she is. Let's take a look what we got here. So we have that. Let's put this over here. We have our anti-drain back valve. Looks like it's been anti-drain backing. And let's take this out. But yeah, I don't like how it's designed. See all this glue on top? Really do not like that. And yeah, let's see if we can take this out. I don't know if this would do, but let's see. There you go. There's, whoop. There goes the seam.
Five minutes later. Much later. Much later.
Alright, so let's have a look what we got here. So I didn't really cut it too well. And see if I can get the rest out. Yeah, I didn't cut it too well. But I mean, as you can see, ooh, what's that? Well, I got something. It's not too bad. It's just a bad cut. So that is kind of concerning because it is picking up whatever that is. Hoping it's not the filter, it's just me. Oh, there's still more gunk in there. Look at that. So there you go. So we got that. Got that there. We got that there. And then we got, I don't know if you can see that. We got that there. So yeah, it's definitely doing something and picking up some nasties. Okay, so let's go ahead and pour it out, see what it looks like. Oh, this is our, oh, look at that. Hang on. So it is catching something. It's cleaning at deposits of some sort. So yeah, it's definitely working. I'm just going to keep opening every single time I go through an interval with this one, since this is its second run. I'm actually happy that the oil is doing what it's doing. It's removing the carbon deposits and all the nasty stuff that has been neglected from the previous owner. Definitely not me. I would never neglect this car. I would never forget. Absolutely not. Why not? Why me? I'm just kidding. I do forget oil changes every now and then, and I am the second owner. I'll fess up to it. So yeah, if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. I actually do have a playlist on how to maintain your HRV. It's constantly growing as I make more videos. Thank you, and I'm gonna go clean this up now.